ngayong araw ating bibigyan ng pansin ang isang natatanging inobasyon na hindi lamang makabago kundi nakatutok din sa pagpapahalaga sa ating kalikasan. Isang uri ng canvas para sa sining ang ipinakilala ng isang inventor at ito ay gawa mula sa mga pinatuyong dahon ng saging.
At upang ibahagi ang kwento at layunin ng kanyang proyekto, kasama nating inventor ng paper-based art canvas na Unvas, na si Julian Stephanie Fabi. Good morning at welcome sa iyo dito sa Rise and Shine Pilipinas. Steph?
Good morning. Good morning po.
Rise and Shine, this is
Salamat
Prof.
po.
Fee together with Joshua. We want to just confirm kung Unvas ba to or Anvas sa. Pero una sa lahat, paano ba nagsimula yung ideya nito at kung ano ang naging inspirasyon mo para gawing art canvas ang mga tuyong dahon ng saging? Tell us more.
Yes po, Unvas po siya. So we call it as Unvas or Unas Canvas. So nabuo po ang Unvas after I received a call from former OFW Jimmy Sorabia who called about a problem on the pile of unas or dried banana leaves in his backyard. So this has been a problem being faced by our banana farmers after banana harvesting. So yun po, nabuo po siya after doon po sa call because they wanted to create a material that would become a source of income po for their group. So yun po basically, doon po nag-start yung Unvas.
Alright, so anong pagkakaiba nito doon sa traditional canvas na ginagamit ng mga artists? At paano sa tingin mo nakakatulong sa ating kapaligiran? Kasi nga yung mga traditional canvases, galing din naman sila sa kalikasan.
First po, yung raw material po na ginamit namin, it's from dried banana leaves. So it's different from the ones available in the market kasi nga po, yung raw material namin is also different. So yung purpose niya po kasi is not only as an art canvas, but we have also further developed it into accessories for lifestyle and mga home materials po. So naiiba po siya, unique po siya in such a manner na aside sa raw material niya, it's also a community-driven project. So yun po.
Di ba yung sustainability kita rito? Pero Stephanie, we want to know, sa tingin mo, paano nakatutulong ang Unvas para sa pagpapalago ng art industry sa Pilipinas at maging ang pagpopromote na rin ng sustainable materials sa paggawa ng art supplies? Go ahead.
I would like to share no na yung Unvas, what we are really promoting here is yung pag-upcycle ng ating dried banana leaves. And aside from that, it's giving income po sa ating mga marginal communities to include persons deprived of liberties, former OFWs, mga working youth natin, including women of war, and very recently nga po yung sa Gumamela Cooperative in Quezon City. So as to the question po na how is this helping po, yun po, so it's providing livelihood para po sa ating mga partner communities.
Alright. Steph, well, in terms of pricing, curious lang din ako, mas mura ba itong Unvas, dun sa Unvas, o dun sa, kumpara dun sa traditional canvas? At nagsagawa din pala kayo ng community workshop kasama yung DOST TAPI, yung Gumamela Neighborhood
Yes,
Association Housing Cooperative. Pakikwento mo, ano yung naging focus nyo dito?
Yes po, in terms of the price po, mas mura po kami kasi yung target market po talaga natin ay yung mga students who have who have visual arts po na classes sa mga high school. So they are required to purchase yung mga 200 plus na canvas. So we are offering an alternative art canvas that is sustainable, that can accommodate acrylic and oil-based paints. At the same time, ano siya, very cheaper or more affordable compared po sa usual art canvas. And yes po, just last weekend po, nagkaroon po kami ng workshop about yung paggawa ng mga accessories natin galing sa Unvas kasi from the art canvas, we also further developed it into beads We also develop the coating such that yung mga beads po natin, ginagawa po natin mga accessories, mga home decors, yun po. So yun po yung itinuro natin sa ating Gumamela Cooperative last weekend.
Paano naman nakatulong yung galing program ng DOST TAPI sa iyong project na UNVAS? Kasi meron yun pwedeng salihan yun yung galing program.
Yes po, actually, yung yung na-avail ko po sa galing na program, sobrang madami na po. Ako po ata yung recipient nila na parang not only 1, 2, or 3 programs po na na-avail ko. Yung isa po is the tech validation. So they are giving me funding para po ma-validate po talaga natin yung ating technology. And right now, I am doing my market validation, also being funded by DOST TAPI through Galing. And aside from that, they are also giving me like yung mga mentorship through Hirang. So since hindi ko po ata nasabi kanina, no, but I am a chemistry educator, also a researcher. So most of the time, I really work in school and in the lab. And yung business na aspect po talaga, ito po talaga yung parang I'm still learning about it, and grateful na with DOST TAPI and other agencies like WIMSU ATBI, they are helping me po get through sa dito po na aspect.
Alright, so aside from these activities na nabanggit mo, no, Steph, moving forward, ano pa yung mga susunod na plano para sa UNVAS? At ano pa yung mga nakikita niyong hakbang na maaari niyong gawin para mas mapalawak pa to?
We are actually developing other outputs or other materials from UNVAS. Like right now, we are doing UNVAS leather. So for packaging sa ating mga accessories, and yung mga ways forward natin, syempre we would want UNVAS to expand so that we can also cater more marginal communities and provide them livelihood. So iyon po ata yung mga nasa first priority namin as of now, yung pagpalago ng aming partner communities or pag-expand ng aming partner communities, at the same time po yung paglawak na din ng reach ng ating mga UNVAS products.
Alright, maraming salamat sa pagbabahagi sa amin ng kwento mo sa likod ng iyong invention na UNVAS, Julian Stephanie Fabi.
Thank you, Julian
Thank you
Stephanie
po.
Fabi.